Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning I want to make a real short, cute little recipe for you that I saw when I was out shopping one day. I went in this store and the man was demonstrating a blender. Well, whatever he had blending, he was sharing it with the audience, and I went by and got a little cup. Well, it ended up being hot chocolate. Well, it was the best hot chocolate I have ever drank. So I thought, well, I'm going to go by and talk to him about this. So I went by and talked to him. I said, this chocolate is some of the best I've ever had. What did you do to it? And he said, well, you know, the little secret is the coconut milk you pour in it. I said, oh my. So I came home and fixed my own, and ever since then it's been my recipe. And I thought I would like to share it with you, because if you like hot chocolate, you're going to like this. So we're going to start off with Nestle's hot chocolate. It takes 6 ounces. You can either use milk, water, whatever you want to use. Now we're going to use 2% milk. First thing we're going to do is put this in the microwave and get it hot. Okay, we have put this milk in the microwave. I put it in there for 1 minute and it seemed to be hot enough. I'm going to add 2 packages of Nestle's hot chocolate mix. You stir that up real good. Now, after I talked to him, I had no recipe, so I had to come on and kind of guess it, how much coconut milk went in there. So I added 1/4 of a cup for 2 packages. So this is coconut milk, just like you buy in a can in the store. And you mix that up, and that's all there is to it, except when you put it in your cup, you're going to put some 2 or 3 marshmallows in it. Makes it a lot better. We put some marshmallows in. Now let me get a small spoon and stir that up. Now this is not really as hot as I like it, so if you get it hotter, those marshmallows will melt. I enjoyed the recipe, him sharing it with me so much, I thought you might like it too. So I'm going to taste this. It's just like I remembered. It's great. It's a very good hot chocolate recipe, and I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you on another video. Thank you for watching. There's several ways you can serve that. This is an insulated pitcher, and probably a lot of you have one. That's a good way to have that if you're having breakfast for 2 or 3 people. And this one is a pot I used, and I've served it and served the same thing to my church or a large group that was going to serve hot chocolate. I would serve it in this thing, this pot. So I thought you might be interested in that.